Nikki Sizemore of From Scratch Fast, and I'm so excited to introduce you to the Ninja Foodi Power Blender Ultimate System with XL Smoothie Bowl Maker and Nutrient Extractor. Today I'm going to show you how I use the pitcher with the feed chute lid. With this feature, you can easily shred, slice, and grate your favorite ingredients. To start, lower the pitcher onto the motor base by rotating the pitcher clockwise until it clicks into place. Next, install the disc spindle into the pitcher, then install the disc assembly. After placing the disc spindle onto the drive gear inside the pitcher, use the plastic grip to grasp the disc of your choice and place it onto the spindle. To install the feed chute lid, place the lid tab to the right of the handle and press the lid down until it's secure. Rotate the tab clockwise until it clicks into place on the pitcher handle. Once locked in, press the power button to turn on. With the Disc IQ program selected, press Start Stop. The feed chute is where you'll add all of your prepped ingredients that you want to slice, shred, or grate. Use the two-part pusher to help guide the food through the feed chute. The middle piece of the food pusher is removable to use for smaller ingredients. The disc preset program will automatically stop at the end of the program. To end the program sooner, simply press Start Stop. To remove the lid from the pitcher, press the release button and rotate the tab counterclockwise out of the lock position and lift the lid up. It's that simple. All parts of the Ninja Foodi Power Blender Ultimate System, besides the base, are dishwasher safe. But if you prefer to hand wash, place the containers, lids, discs, and blade assemblies in warm, soapy water. When washing the blade assemblies, use a dishwashing utensil with a handle. If there is stuck-on mess that you're not able to get off of the XL Smoothie Bowl Maker or Power Pitcher, fill the pitcher with warm water up to the Dough Max line and add 1 to 2 small drops of dish soap. Run the bowl program, making sure that the pour spout is securely closed. Now your unit is nice and clean and ready to use again. For more recipe inspiration, visit ninjatestkitchen.com and join the official Ninja Foodi family community on Facebook.